In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Trello board background color. If you've ever wanted your Trello board to feel more organized or simply easier on the eyes, changing the background color is a quick win. It can help you visually separate projects, improve readability, and give your workspace a little personality. I'll walk you through it step by step on the web version of Trello, keeping things simple and clear. Start by heading to Trello.com and signing into your account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace if you're part of multiple teams. Once you're in, go to your board's view. You'll find it in the sidebar or on the home page, depending on your layout. This is where all your boards live. From your workspace section, pick the board you want to customize and open it. Give it a second to load, and then look toward the top right corner of the board. You should see an icon with 3 dots. That's the board options menu. If your screen is narrower, it might be under a menu labeled Show Menu, but it leads to the same place. Click the 3 dots to open the board options, then choose Change Background. Trello will show you options for backgrounds because we're focusing on solid colors today. Select colors. This opens a palette of ready-to-use shades that work well with Trello's interface. Now select a color you like. As soon as you click, the background updates immediately so you can preview how your lists and cards look against it. If the text feels hard to read or the contrast isn't great, try a darker or lighter shade until it feels comfortable. Trello saves this change automatically, so there's no extra save button to press. A couple of quick tips to make the most of this. If you manage multiple boards, consider using consistent color themes like warm tones for marketing and cool tones for engineering so you can tell them apart at a glance. If you collaborate with a team, remember that changing the background updates it for everyone on that board. So pick something that's functional as well as stylish. And if you ever want to switch things up later, just return to the same menu and choose a different color. That's all you need to do to change a Trello board's background color. It's fast, it's reversible, and it can make a big difference in how your workspace feels. Thanks for watching and enjoy customizing your boards.